Hello everyone. In the series of drugs of Himalayan region, identification and their medicinal uses, I would like to introduce you with the next valuable drug, that is Amlavetas. Acharya P.V. Sharma in his book Dravigur Vigyan second volume has mentioned the botanical source of drug Amlavetas to be Garcinia pedunculata. But after decades, he felt that there should be reconsideration about the botanical source of Amlavetas. He expressed his views in an article which was published in an Ayurvedic magazine, Sachitra Ayurved, on May 2000. Now question arises in everybody's mind why Acharya felt the need to change the botanical source of Amlavetas. We can answer this question by following ways. If we want to purchase Amlavetas from market, what will we get? We get something plat-like structure by the name Amlavetas, which is the petiole of Rheum emoti, Revandachini, which is not a fruit, and it performs Virechan karma. Morphological characters as well as function both are different from the Amlavetas, which is mentioned in our Samhita Granthas. As a plant, it is also found in Himalayan region, but functions are entirely different. Even today, in Kerala, the Solana heterophylla is used by the name of Amlavetas. In addition to this, Cissus repens, Cissus vertiginosa, and Pilocissus latifolia are also used by the name Amlavetas, which are climber, not tree. If we see the situation in the northeast region of India, they use Garcinia pedunculata by the name Amlavetas. But most of the Vaidyas incline towards Garcinia pedunculata. Even then, properties are not similar to that which is mentioned in Samhitas and Nightus. So he has made an attempt to find new botanical source of Amlavetas, in which all the properties are found which is exactly similar to that which is mentioned in our Ayurvedic text. If we explore the Amlavetas in Charak Samhita, it is mentioned in Hridya Mahakashaya, and all the drugs of Hridya Mahakashaya are fruits. So the usable part of Amlavetas will be fruit. It is also mentioned in Amlaskand, so it should contain Amlaras, means amla in taste. Another point of identification is the plant should be morphologically similar to the plant Vetus, which is Salix caprea. Next point of identification is the plant should be found in Himalayan region, because in Gadanigra of Sodhal, a very clear-cut description of habitat of Amlavetas has been mentioned. He has described the habitat and other properties of Amlavetas as Himavat Paramavase Divya Aushadhi Samayute Gandharv Yaksha Dhyushite Nana Dhatu Vichitrite Tebhyas Tejasvini Jata Vetasa Nam Padapaha Tesham Falebhyo Niryasa So Amlatvada Amlavetasa. All these qualities should be found in Amlavetas, so that there is need to change the botanical source of Amlavetas. Let us see the genuine drug which should be taken as Amlavetas, in which all the above said characters are found. This genuine drug is Hypophyes salicifolia. Its English name is Seabuckthorn. It is distributed throughout the temperate zone of Asia and all over the subtropical zone, especially at high altitude. In Himachal Pradesh, it is found in Lahaul Spiti. It is a deciduous spiny species of small tree or shrub. Shativedi term is given to Amlavetas in Nightus, which indicates its spiny structure. Its leaves are 5 to 10 centimeter long, linear, lanceolate, softy white pubescent above. Fruits ovoid yellow in axillary cluster. Oil extracted from berries are used for medicine. Now come to the chemical constituents. It is the rich source of vitamin C, vitamin E, alpha tocopherol, large amount of carotenoids, different flavonoids and phytosterols. Now come to the medicinal uses of Hypophis salsifolia. Its berries are used to prepare the medicine, which contain high amount of vitamin C. In an experimental model, it shows cholesterol lowering property and improves cardiac function. So, it is worthwhile to say Amlam Hridyanam, as it contains amlaras. Due to the snigdh gun of amlaras, it is useful in gastric ulcer. It is found that Hypophis salsifolia is traditionally used in the treatment of gastric ulcer. Laboratory studies of seed oil shows its anti-ulcer activity. Seed oil is used for the diseases of the skin like eczema, burn, bad healing wounds, skin damaging effect of sun. It is also very effective in gum bleeding due to amlaras and snigdh gun. Juice is prepared from the berries sold in the market by the name Leh berry juice. Juice of the berry is very effective in stomatitis. Due to the presence of vitamin C and vitamin E, it is considered as best immunomodulator and antioxidant drug. So, it can be used as rasayan and can enhance the immunity. Due to the presence of free radical scavenging activity, it is one of the best drug of anti-aging skin rejuvenator. There are so many important formulations present in the market in which amlavetus is one of the ingredient. So, it is need of time to use genuine drugs in the formulations for quality product as well as for the upliftment of Ayurveda. Thank you. We will meet you again with new important drug.